Everybody loves fire.
Everybody loves fire, yep.
Okay, so we are back at the shower surround project in Spring Lake, and we've got McKee Brothers here again. They are doing the rough-in for the new shower valve system. We got Randy here, and he just took out the old shower valve in copper, and now he's prepping up. Say hi, Randy.
What's up, everybody?
So we got Randy here. He's gonna set up where the new valve is going and get this project back on the way. So that's what we got going on today. Everybody loves fire. Okay, so here we are, and we've got the shower valve installed, new lines put in for the supplies. Had to replace that elbow there. Sorry, got one hand filled. So replace this elbow, new connections here, everything's nice and tight, press fittings where we can, and a couple solders here for the valve installation, and nice line all the way up. So we've got this ready for here. Let's get the better half of my face, not just the nose. We got things ready for installation, or excuse me, inspection coming up. So we'll call for that and have that tomorrow, hopefully, and keep the project rolling.